Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect your domain to Weebly. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Weebly, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Connecting a domain to Weebly involves several steps, depending on whether you're using a domain registered through Weebly or an external domain registered with another provider. Alright? Now the thing is, now there are multiple ways for you to be able to connect your domain here on Weebly. Number one is go to settings and go to the site address, and that says click here to set site address. Because when you click that, you will need to have your domain name ready. All right. If you already own a domain, okay, you can simply connect or transfer it now if you do have it. All right. Now you need to enter your domain. For example, I'm going to be putting in maybe Andy Guide. If you have that, and enter the domain. Now, if you don't have the domain yet, you can choose an option. You can transfer your domain, purchase a plan, and get 1 year of domain renewal. All right. Or you can choose a plan and they will help you connect your domain. I want you to enter this second option and you will be forwarded here to the loading payment page wherein you are required to subscribe for a different plan here on Weebly. Okay, so you can choose a personal to a custom domain, which is going to be $10 per month, billed annually. You can select that. The thing is, you can publish your site to a custom domain name. If you're choosing the professional for $12 per month, which is billed annually, you also have the performance, which adds features that drive growth and manage operations. Of course, if you're planning to scale up, you might want to go for the premium. All right. Now, the next option is just go to the publish option at the on top. And again, if you don't have the domain name here, you might want to type in your desired domain and click on search, because this is where people will find your website. So you choose your domain. Now here, these are the suggestions from Weebly. If you click on the view more, these are the available domains that you can buy and take advantage and use. All right. Because connecting your domain allows you to create custom email address. For example, Andy's Guide at youtube.com, which adds to your professional appearance and credibility. Now, it's up to you. The thing is, andyguide.weebly.com is not available now. Maybe I'm going to be choosing andyguide.com or .net. Let's choose that. What will happen is it's the same process as earlier. All you're going to do is choose on the publishing plan that you wanted, and you would be able to connect your domain to Weebly without any problems. But if you do encounter any problems connecting your domain to Weebly, you might want to go to the Weebly contact support and here type in your question, which is going to be, okay, press enter to see if you get an answer. Or there's an option in the bottom that says contact us option. Click that. And you would have a pop-up chat bot here that we might want to ask some questions to see if we get an answer. All right, just wait for it to load. Enter your question to see if we get an answer, and that's how you basically connect your domain to Weebly. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.